I have done 30 plus certifications and am here to guide you throughout your certification journey. In this video, we will be covering an important topic and some important questions of the ITIL 4 Foundation exam. To the important topic, the 4 dimension model. What are the 4 dimensions of service management? The 4 dimensions of service management in ITIL 4 provide a holistic view of what is required for effective service management. They emphasize that organizations must consider all aspects together for balanced and sustainable value creation. The 4 dimensions are organizations and people, information and technology, partners and suppliers, value streams and processes. All these are interconnected. No dimension exists in isolation. Balancing these dimensions ensures consistent and quality service delivery aligned with business goals. Here we have a diagram showing the 4 dimensions of service management and the factors that affect them. You can find the complete PDF of this video and our practice questions through the link down in the description. To the important questions, question 1. Which ITIL guiding principle recommends using existing services, processes, and tools when improving services? Start where you are is the ITIL guiding principle that recommends using existing services, processes, and tools when improving services. Thus, the correct option is C. Option C. Start where you are. No need to recreate it entirely. It also means no need to discard what you have in hand and start from scratch. Question 2. Why should some service requests be fulfilled with no additional approvals? Here in this question, this should be done to streamline the fulfillment workflow. Thus, the correct option is C. Since service requests are predefined and pre-agreed as a normal part of service delivery, they can usually be formalized with a clear standard procedure for initiation, approval, fulfillment, and management. Some service requests have very simple workflows, such as a request for information. Those, such as the setup of a new employee, may be quite complex and require contributions from many teams and systems for fulfillment. Question 3. When should a full risk assessment and authorization be carried out for a standard change? Here in this question, the full risk assessment and authorization should be carried out for a standard change when the procedure for the standard change is created. Thus, the correct option is B. These are low risk, pre authorized changes that are well understood and fully documented and can be implemented without needing additional authorization. They are often initiated as service requests but may also be operational changes. When the procedure for a standard change is created or modified, there should be a full risk assessment and authorization as for any other change. This risk assessment does not need to be repeated each time a standard change is implemented. It only needs to be done if there is a modification to the way it is carried out. Question 4. Which statement about emergency changes is correct? Here in this question, the statement that is correct is that the assessment and authorization of emergency changes is expedited to ensure they can be implemented quickly. Thus, the correct option is B. These are changes that must be implemented as soon as possible. For example, to resolve an incident or implement a security patch. Emergency changes are not typically included in a change schedule, and the process for assessment and authorization is expedited to ensure they can be implemented quickly. Question 5. Which statement about managing incidents is correct? The statement that is correct about managing incidents is that the low impact incidents should be resolved efficiently so the resource required is reduced. Thus, the correct option is C. Question 6. Which statement about the service value chain is correct? The statement that is correct about the service value chain is that every value chain activity uses different combinations of practices to convert inputs into outputs. Thus, the correct option is B. In the ITIL-4 framework, the service value chain is a key concept that represents the set of interconnected activities performed by an organization to deliver value to its customers. The service value chain consists of six core activities: plan, improve, engage, design and transition, obtain or build, and deliver and support. Option B is correct because each value chain activity utilizes different combinations of title practices to transform inputs into outputs. The practices represent the specific actions, methods, and approaches employed within each activity to achieve the desired outcomes. These practices are selected and adapted based on the specific needs and context of the organization. Question 7. What describes how components and activities work together to facilitate value creation? The ITIL service value system describes how components and activities work together to facilitate value creation. Thus, the correct option is A. The ITIL SVS describes how all the components and activities of the organization work together as a system to enable value creation. Question 8. Which statement about the use of measurement in the start where you are guiding principle is correct? Here in this question, the correct statement is that it should always be used to support direct observation. Thus, the correct option is A. Question 9. Which statement about service desks is correct? Here in this question, the statement that is correct about service desks is that the service desk should work in close collaboration with support and development teams. Thus, the correct option is A. Question 10. Which practice makes new services available for use? The release management practice makes new services available for use. Thus, the correct option is B. The purpose of the release management practice is to make new and changed services and features available for use. Release: a version of a service or other configuration item or a collection of configuration items that is made available for use. Question 11. Which guiding principle considers the importance of customer loyalty? The focus on value guiding principle considers the importance of customer loyalty. Thus, the correct option is B. This principle is mostly focused on the creation of value for service customers. However, a service also contributes to value for the organization and other stakeholders. This value may come in various forms such as revenue, customer loyalty, lower cost, and slash or growth opportunities. Question 12. Which statement about continual improvement is correct? The statement that is correct about continual improvement is that everyone in the organization is responsible for some aspects of continual improvement. Thus, the correct option is D. Continual improvement is a recurring organizational activity performed at all levels to ensure that an organization's performance continually meets stakeholders' expectations. Question 13. Which guiding principle recommends eliminating activities that do not contribute to the creation of value? It's simple and practical is the guiding principle that recommends eliminating activities that do not contribute to the creation of value. Thus, the correct option is C. If a process, service, action, or a metric fails to provide value or produce a useful outcome, eliminate it. In a process or procedure, use the minimum number of steps necessary to accomplish the objectives. Always use outcome based thinking to produce practical solutions that deliver results. Question 14. When should the effectiveness of a problem workaround be assessed? The effectiveness of a problem workaround should be assessed whenever the workaround is used. Thus, the correct option is A. The effectiveness of workarounds should be evaluated each time a workaround is used, as the workaround may be improved based on the assessment. Question 15. Identify the missing word in the following sentence. A change is defined as the addition, modification, or removal of anything that could have a direct or indirect effect on dash. Here in this question, the missing word in the given sentence is services. Thus, the correct option is D. Question 16. What can be used to determine if a service is fit for purpose? Utility can be used to determine if a service is fit for purpose. Thus, the correct option is D. Utility can be summarized as what the service does and can be used to determine whether a service is fit for purpose. Question 17. In service relationships, what is the benefit of identifying consumer roles? Here in this question, benefit of identifying consumer roles is that it enables effective stakeholder management. Thus, the correct option is A. It is, it is important to identify these roles in service relationships to ensure effective communication and stakeholder management. Question 18. Identify the missing words in the following sentence. The management of information security incidents usually requires dash. Here in this question, the missing words in the given sentence are separate process. Thus, the correct option is C. There are usually separate processes for managing major incidents and for managing information security incidents. Question 19. What is the purpose of the deployment management practice? The purpose of deployment management practice is to move new or changed components to live environments. Thus, the correct option is C. The purpose of the deployment management practice is to move new or changed hardware, software, documentation, processes, or any other component to live environments. It may also be involved in deploying components to other environments for testing or staging. Question 20. Which ITIL practice has the purpose to establish and nurture the links between the organization and its stakeholders at strategic and tactical levels? Here in this question, the correct ITIL practice according to the given purpose is relationship management. Thus, the correct option is C. The purpose of the relationship management practice is to establish and nurture the links between the organization and its stakeholders at strategic and tactical levels. Question 21. What can help to reduce resistance to a planned improvement when applying the guiding principle, collaborate and promote visibility? Increasing collaboration and visibility for the improvement can help reduce resistance to a planned improvement when applying the given principle. Thus, the correct option is B. A guiding principle, collaborate and promote visibility, emphasizes the importance of involving relevant stakeholders, fostering collaboration, and ensuring transparency throughout the improvement process. By increasing collaboration and visibility, resistance to a planned improvement can be reduced. When stakeholders are actively engaged, informed, and involved in the improvement efforts, they are more likely to understand the rationale behind the changes, have an opportunity to provide input and feedback, and feel a sense of ownership and involvement in the process. Question 22. Which practice ensures that any addition, modification, or removal of anything that could have an effect on services is assessed and authorized? Change control is a practice that ensures that any addition, modification, or removal of anything that could have an effect on services is assessed and authorized. Thus, the correct option is C. The purpose of the change control practice is to maximize the number of successful service and product changes by ensuring that risks have been properly assessed, authorizing changes to proceed, and managing the change schedule. Change, the addition, modification, or removal of anything that could have a direct or indirect effect on services. Question 23. Which practice has a purpose that includes managing risks to confidentiality, integrity, and availability? Here in this question, based on the given requirements, the correct practice is information security management. Thus, the correct option is A. Information security management involves data, information, knowledge, and security slash protection related management. Question 24. Which is a key requirement for a successful service level agreement? A key requirement for a successful service level agreement is that it should be simply written, easy to understand. Thus, the correct option is B. Question 25. Which practice is most likely to benefit from the use of chatbots? Service desk is the practice that is most likely to benefit from the use of chatbots. Thus, thus, the correct option is D. With increased automation, AI, robotic process automation, and chatbots, service desks are moving to provide more self service logging and resolution directly via online portals and mobile applications. The impact on service desks is reduced phone contact, less low level work, and a greater ability to focus on excellent CX when personal contact is needed. Question 26. Which ITIL practice has a purpose that includes reducing the likelihood of incidents? Problem management is the ITIL practice that has a purpose that includes reducing the likelihood of incidents. Thus, the correct option is C. The purpose of the problem management practice is to reduce the likelihood and impact of incidents by identifying actual and potential cause of incidents and managing workarounds and known errors. Question 27. What are the most important skills required by service desk staff? Incident analysis skills are the most important skills required by service desk staff. Thus, the correct option is A. Question 28. How does information about problems and known errors contribute to incident management? The information about problems and known errors contribute to incident management as it enables quick and efficient diagnosis of incidents. Thus, the correct option is A. Information about incidents should be stored in incident record in a suitable tool. Ideally, this tool should also provide links to related CIs, changes, problems, known errors, and other knowledge to enable quick and efficient diagnosis and recovery. Question 29. Which practice owns and manages issues, queries, and requests from users? Service desk is the practice that owns and manages issues, queries, and requests from users. Thus, the correct option is B. Service desks provide a clear path for users to report issues, queries, and requests and have them acknowledged, classified, owned, and actioned. Question 30. What can act as an operating model for an organization? The service value chain can act as an operating model for an organization. Thus, the correct option is B. The ITIL service value chain provides an operating model for the creation, delivery, and continual improvement of services. These were all the questions for this video. You can find the complete PDF of this video and our practice questions through the link down in the description. We will be publishing more parts to this series in the future, so please make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.